Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the linear congruence. So in the cryptographic algorithm, to find out the linear equation, that is to find out the Zn values, the residue values that is related to the linear equation, we can find out in this particular linear congruence. So the general equation of the linear congruence the general equation is Ax congruent to B mod n. So Ax is congruent to B mod n. So we are going to find out the x value using this particular equation. So we have set of rules related to the finding out the linear congruence. So coming to the first rule is the GCD value of A comma n is equal to D. So when you are finding GCD of A comma n, we are going to get the output as D, or the remainder value is D. Then coming to the second step, we need to find out B by D. So this B by D gives whether solution exist or not, that we are going to find out using B by D. The third step is we are going to find D mod n. So D mod n gives whether how many solutions are there, how many solutions exist, that we are going to find out using the D mod n. Then coming to the fourth rule, once you are finding the number of solutions, we are going to divide both the sides. So divide both the sides by D. We are going to divide both the sides by D. Then once both the sides is finished, then we are going to multiply both the sides by multiplicative inverse of A. We are going to find out using the multiplicative inverse of A on both the sides. Then the sixth step is we are going to write down them in form of a general equation. So the general equation is equal to, we are going to write as x naught plus k of n by d. K is equal to x naught plus n by d, where k will lead to 1, 2, so on till n. So let us find out the problem related to the linear congruence. So let us take the problem as 10x is congruent to 2 mod 5. 10x is congruent to 2 mod 5. Now let us take the first step. So this value is similar to the Ax is equal to B mod n. So in the general format we have the Ax is equal to B mod n. So the A value is equal to 10, B value is equal to 2 and n value is equal to 5 here. Now coming to the first step, GCD value of A comma n is equal to D. So how we are going to write? The GCD of A comma n is equal to GCD of A value is 10 and n value is 5. So according to the Euclidean algorithm, we can solve the GCD values of 10 comma 5. So how you are going to solve? So you can get the GCD of, you can find, that is 5 you are going to say what is the remainder that you are going to get? 5, and the remainder value is 2. So how many times it will go? How many times it will go? 5 will divide about 2 times. So 5 comma. So here the GCD values of 5 comma 0. That means here the GCD is equal to 5. So since the GCD value is 5, so according to the second step, we need to find the values B by D. So what is the value of B here? 2. 2 by 5. So when you are writing 2 by 5, so there is no proper fraction. So we are not getting any whole number or any integer. So you can write the solution does not exist. So since the solution does not exist, the whole process, so all other processes does not exist. So let us see the second problem using the equation. So the second problem that we can take over here is